Traveline-cymru.info is a website that lets you plan your journey in Wales on public transport. On the home page, enter the place you are travelling from and the place you would like to go to. In this example, we are travelling from Cardiff Central Station to Merthyr Tydfil. Choose the time you would like to leave after, or the time you would like to arrive at your destination by. Choose the date, then click Go. The website will show you the quickest and most straightforward way of reaching your destination. In this case, it suggested we travel by bus to Merthyr and has given us 3 bus times. The button next to each one shows the bus number and where to catch it from. But we would rather go by train, so we change our journey choices. This shows us 3 trains we can catch, which will get us to Merthyr on time. You can then go on to buy tickets online via thetrainline.com or in the station when you go to catch your train.